can't really mad. Yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen, and you can tell everybody this is a song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is when you're in the world. If I was a school star, but then again, no. Our girl makes potion in a traveling show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's